Good morning, everyone. Well, should I say good afternoon? It's about 1 in the afternoon, and it feels so good to be able to sleep in because I am not working today, and I'm so happy about that. Because I just needed some rest. I just feel so drained, so I really feel like I needed today off, and today is our monthsary anyway, so I wanted to have today to rest, and yeah, we can go from there. We are finally on the road. It's about 5 o'clock now, and we're heading to the Galleria. It's like our favorite place to go, honestly. Well, we're also checking out Ground Zero for her because she's obsessed with snowboarding now. So we're trying to see what kind of sales they have there, and then yeah, we're gonna be eating at Cheesecake Factory for our monthsary today. And do you have anything to say? Hello. Yes, so we are on the road now, and
oh, you want gongcha?
Not really. I'm kind of hungry only. Don't you want gongcha though?
That's okay, we don't have to, because then it's probably gonna ruin your appetite.
Okay, tomorrow, gongcha. Gongcha is our milk tea place that we get the milk tea
Only
drink.
because T4 is not close by.
Yeah, that's the
I like
closest
T4
milk tea place that we have. She likes tea for you. Me, I don't really like tea for you. But they do have snacks, so that would have been good if Gongcha has that, because I'm like pretty hungry right now and we haven't really eaten anything. So yeah, something small to munch on would be good. We are here. Let's check it out, shall we? Hello. We are finally here after what felt like forever.
Trying to find parking.
Dark already. Alright, let's try to find my shade. Find Fiji.
Boom. That's one.
Yay! Oh my gosh. I've been wanting to try this one for so long in this shade. So let's see. Let's see. No, the other. Ooh. Hourglass. Alright, she's gonna pick my monthsary gift. What would it be? What would it be? Too Faced. Ooh, actually Too Faced came with a new one. Came out with a new one.
I'll hold on to this for now.
Yeah, hold on to that one for now. Let's see, let's see. This is how she picks the makeup. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shoot, actually. Oh yeah. Yes. Let's get some of that. It's something new. I've never really tried Marc Jacobs eyeshadows. So here's my confession.
How about this one? Hello. How should do our makeup look with all of these stuff? I don't know. Well, I'm usually a Jordan person, but lately we've been liking a lot of Adidas stuff. I think Adidas is my next favorite brand besides Jordan and Nike.
Candyland. That's usually our favorite. All the gummy stuff here.
I wish they like split the code.
I know, huh? Oh, wouldn't that be a dream? Yeah. Oh my god, that is really too long.
So she's been on the hunt for boots. She has not been having any luck. We'll see if she can get one today. Buy one, get one free. Does it fit? Looks like she got something.
So we are hoping and praying that there is no wait time.
Ooh, it's freezing.
Because we have not eaten all this time and we're still hungry. We're still hungry. It's cold. So it's what cheesecake do we want? I want my usual Snicker bars, chunkin' cheesecake. Which one is that one? The toasted marshmallow s'mores galore. Is that one right there?
Go on the back here.
Oh, in the back there. Okay. Yeah, I want my usual. It's so dark. So we're in Cheesecake Factory. It's really dark in here. So we got my strawberry fruit smoothie, our cucumber lemonade, and we have our first appetizer, potato tots. Let's try some of this. It's really good. Our entree's out. And we are back home. Oh, hi, little guy. It's always the best feeling to come home to this little guy. Oh, hi, buddy. We are super tired right now. So full. Yes, full indeed. Hi, little guy. Chilling right here. Oh. So I'm about to take my makeup off, and I actually bought this Olay Henriksen Balance It All little kit right here. I mean, I've been hearing some good things about this Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. So I've been wanting to try that one. So I actually bought this kit just because I wanted to try this one. I always go in with my Clinique take a day off bomb. I'm really curious what this... Oh, okay, so it's supposed to be a moisturizer as well. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday today. Hi, little bud. Oh, hi, bud. To do some major cleaning today. Then I also have to go back to the mall. Had to return that foundation that spilled all over. Got me excited for nothing. Alright, so the Christmas tree is officially coming down today. I know I mentioned in my Instagram story that it was coming down that one day, but I got kind of lazy and did not put it away. So today it's officially going down along with all my other Christmas decor. Everything is coming down today. We're starting a new year, so it's just time to come down, right, buddy boy? He really wants to come out, but I have to take all of these decorations out first before I take him out because he's gonna want to take everything. So just for safety, he's gonna be in his little pen for now until this thing goes down. We're also putting the Christmas tree in this big old red bag here. That scary chick. Right, this is it. It's going away forever. Until this year, of course. But we finally have our space back, so it's not so crowded in our place. So we are on the road again, and I'm wearing some shades. Got the new Desi and Key Australia, the high key fades. I'm wanting these because just look how cool they look. Looks good. And my other one was broken, or it was getting a lot of scratches, so I got this new one. Yeah, so I wear this since I don't have any makeup on today. This will cover my face for now. What do you think of that?
Think of what?
Solution.
It's a trickery.
Yeah, it's a trickery, right? That's why I need these. I need the original ones. So we're gonna have dinner with the girls. And we're gonna have some ramen. We actually haven't had that in a while, huh? She had like a phase of it. Ramen isn't really my favorite, but I haven't had it in a while, so it should be good.
Right, we came back from Arden and we're at T4.
Just got a drink while we wait for the girls for ramen.
And we're just gonna be playing with some locust while we wait.
Alright, we changed to Uno because a lot of the pieces were like broken. So I'll play this instead. She thought she could make up her own rule and use this as a wild card, but it's one where you have to write your own, so you can't cheat like that. Take another card. Oh. So we're currently waiting for ramen at this place. You see it? We're still waiting for the girls to show up as well. It's like a 30-minute wait time, so we're just standing outside in the cold. Luckily there's this little heater thingy, so it's keeping us warm for now.
Let me see. I think I might just.
Look who finally showed up.
Well, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Where's Lee?
Oh, he just got off work. So you guys go to the Raijin, right? Over there?
Yeah, we go to Raijin over
Yeah,
there.
usually we go there if this place is way too jam-packed.
Everybody just ordered their food.
Like, ramen. How often do you guys go to LA?
We were just talking about
Not
LA.
They have really good ramen out there.
Listen, do you like to get a pig? What you want?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
My ramen is here. Oh, they don't have yours. What did you get, Lovey?
I got the, even the gym they get me.
Oh, yeah.
I don't remember.
Oh my god, I missed you. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Oh my god.
buddy boy.
Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh,
Hi.
we're finally back home with our boy. Oh. Alright, I'm about to end the vlog here. I'm just gonna be chilling after this, take some medicine for my nose because it got worse. And yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching, and we'll see you guys all on my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.